This e-biker had his headlight on, but the driver decided to do this anyway. Biker was extremely lucky that no cars were coming from the other lane. This rider was going through a parking lot. The one thing he didn't see is the black ice on the road.
No, get him up, get him up. Oh, no, leave him. Don't touch 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 him.
Call police.
I'm calling.
Calling?
Yeah.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Leave his head.
Get away. There's gas. There's gas behind us.
Ricky from his bike.
This accident happened so quick there was no way for the biker to avoid it, and it's hard to believe that the driver did not see the rider. Somehow the biker escaped with only a small ankle fracture.
Because right now I can't record at night because I'm gonna lose my license, you know? I almost lost my license.
I guess some people just really hate bikers. This rider didn't do anything to this lady, and she was still angry enough to chase him down and pull him over.
Just riding. I'm sorry I scared you. I'm sorry. Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone. Jesus. Am I good to go through?
Now this rider had a really close call. Was it due to the high speed, or was the driver not paying attention when switching lanes? Or maybe a bit of both. What do you guys think? And that was it for today's chaos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.